Today we're going to learn about the rational exponent rule. Now, the rational exponent rule means like when you have a base to a power of a rational number or a fraction, uh, it's going to be rewritten as the square root. The n is the numerator and the m is the numerator. But if it is a 2, we don't write it because the radical means already 2. And obviously, 1, we don't write it because we don't write the 1s as exponent. So like this example, x to the 1 half, we run as the square root of x. The 2, we don't write it because it's the square. And the 1, we don't write it because it's the power of 1. But let's see this example where x to the 2 thirds, then we got the square root, and then the denominator goes outside, uh, cubic root, and then the 2 will be as a power of the base. Now, let's see an example involving multiple rules, like this one. First, we need to do the power, then we'll need to do the product rule. The power rule, 16 to the 1 half, because it's inside the parentheses, so a square root of 16 will be 4, and then x 1 times 1 half will be 1 half, y to the 1 times 1 half will be 1 half, and x to the 1 times 1 half will be x to the 1 half. Then, when we're multiplying, we're going to use the product rule. We're going to add the exponent. So it will be 4x 1 half plus 1 half, y to the 1 half. So it will be 4x to the 1, y 1 half. But this one is in fraction, or we need to rewrite as a radical. So it will be 4x square root of y. And that's your answer. Let's see another example. We got 64 to the third, or 1/3 power x to the third y squared, everything to the 1/3, and then y to the 1 half. First, we're going to do power rule, then product rule. 64 to the 1/3 is 4. X to the third power times 1/3. 3 times 1/3 is 1. 2 times 1/3 will be 2/3. 1 times 1 half will be 1 half. Then we're going to do the product, which is adding. So it will be 4x y 2/3 plus 1 half. And then we're going to add these two fractions. So we're going to have 4x y to the 7 over 6. But this one, we can rewrite it as this. 4x y is like y to the 1 times 1 over 6. Why? Because this x is like having 1. This y, I'm sorry, this y is like having 1, so we can get it out. And this one, the 1 6, I can write it as a radical. So it will be 4xy, this part, times the radical of y, but the 6 goes outside, and the 1 as the power, but we don't write the 1. So that will be the answer. So we're going to be using a combination of rules to simplify the expressions. Okay?